Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, our word of the day is camping. Camping is an A2 level noun meaning the activity of staying outdoors in tents. So, when you go camping, you're essentially enjoying a recreational activity where you spend time outside, typically overnight, using a tent or other temporary shelter. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature, escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, and enjoy some peace and quiet. Now, let's delve a little deeper into understanding camping and how it's used in everyday language. Camping, as a noun, refers to the activity itself, but it can also describe a place where you camp. You might say we're going camping this weekend, or this is a great camping site. It's a very versatile word. To further expand our vocabulary, let's look at some synonyms for camping. One synonym is tenting. For example, you could say, we went tenting in the mountains last summer. Another synonym, although less common, is outdoor living. For example, they enjoy outdoor living whenever the weather permits. Now, let's see how these synonyms fit into sentences. Instead of saying we are going camping in Yosemite National Park, you could say we are going tenting in Yosemite National Park. Or, instead of saying he enjoys camping and fishing, you might say he enjoys outdoor living and fishing. While these synonyms are related, it's important to remember that camping specifically implies the use of tents. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the spectrum with some antonyms. While there isn't a direct antonym for camping, we can consider words that describe activities that are the opposite of being outdoors in nature. One such word is indoors. For example, instead of going camping, we decided to stay indoors due to the rain. Another antonym, though not a perfect one, could be urban life. For instance, she prefers urban life to camping in the wilderness. Another related word is hodling. For example, after a week of rough camping, we treated ourselves to some hodling. Let's look at these antonyms in context. Instead of saying they went camping every summer, you could say they spent every summer indoors reading books. Or, instead of saying he dreamed of escaping the city and going camping, you could say he dreamed of escaping camping and enjoying urban life. As you can see, these words highlight the contrasting idea of being enclosed versus being out in nature. Now, how can you use camping in your everyday life? Well, imagine you're making weekend plans with a friend. You could say, hey, I was thinking we could go camping this weekend. Are you interested? Or, if you're discussing your favorite hobbies, you might say, one of my favorite things to do is camping. I love being surrounded by nature. You could also use it in phrases like that camping trip was an absolute disaster. Or, let's plan a camping adventure soon. Here are some more usage examples of camping in sentences and phrases. We packed our gear for the camping trip. The camping site was located near a beautiful lake. She learned how to build a fire during her camping experience. The children were excited about the camping trip to the forest. They enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere while camping under the stars. He bought a new tent for their camping adventure. Their camping equipment included a sleeping bag, a stove, and a lantern. The camping trip was a chance to escape the city. She documented her camping adventure with photos and videos. They shared stories around the campfire during their camping experience. Remember, camping involves spending time outdoors, usually with a tent. We also learned some synonyms like tenting and outdoor living, and contrasting words like indoors and urban life. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word camping helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words too. Before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word camping and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see your creative examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.